I'm Brian Wahler, Mayor of Piscataway Township. I'm glad to have this opportunity to speak with you again. In Washington, the House of Representatives is expected to take up a fourth bill to help us with the coronavirus outbreak. I wrote to all House members in New Jersey asking them to co-sponsor the Coronavirus Community Relief Act. This bill will give $250 billion to local governments that have populations under 500,000 people. The earlier bill passed by Congress, known as the CARES Act, provided $150 billion in direct assistance, but only for cities that have over 500,000 people. This means that no city or township in New Jersey qualifies. We need to make sure New Jersey gets its fair share. In the meantime, Middlesex County opened a second drive-through COVID-19 testing site in South Brunswick for county residents only. You must have a state-issued ID showing that you are a Middlesex County resident, plus a valid prescription from a doctor or showing symptoms of the virus. You cannot just show up. Make sure you have an appointment. To get an appointment, go to the website address you see on your screen. If you do not have access to the internet, call the phone number. However, please try the website first. They do not want to tie the phone lines up. Let's look at what else is going on locally. If you get your electricity from PSE&G, you will receive an energy aggregation letter from Energy Harbor. Please make sure to read it. Some residents are also receiving different envelopes from companies other than Energy Harbor. Please know that any such company and letter are not connected to the official program. With the new closure of the state and county parks, Johnson's Park will no longer be open. I want to stress the municipal parks are open for passive recreation only. That means walking and running while maintaining a safe distance from others. No team sports, no using our playgrounds. I know the kids are missing their friends, but I am asking parents to make sure that the children are not congregating in our parks. Groups of teenagers have been riding their bikes together in the parks. We cannot have that. We need to practice social distancing regardless of the age. If you see it, call the police non-emergency line at 732-562-1100. As always, remember the basics. Wash your hands, stay at least 6 feet away from others. If you don't have to leave home, stay home. If you go to the grocery store, pharmacy, or anywhere else, you must wear a face mask. When you do go out in public, please do not leave latex gloves or Clorox wipes on the ground. Put them in the trash can or bring them home to throw away. In closing, I want to remind you of our local restaurants. Piscataway has a lot of great food options available for delivery and takeout. Why don't you get a nice lunch or dinner and help local families stay employed? Thank you for everything that you're doing, and I look forward to talking with you again.